Welcome to Deep Healing Sounds. Take a moment to settle in. There is nothing you need to do right now, and nowhere else you need to be. If you feel stressed or your mind is full of thoughts, you are in the right place. For this time together, you have no problems to solve. There is only your breath, the sound, and this moment. Adjust your body now. If you are sitting, feel your feet flat on the floor. If you are lying down, feel the weight of your body. Say to yourself, "My body is trying to protect me, but I am safe now." Now, breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. And breathe out through your mouth, as if through a straw, for 8 seconds. Repeat this on your own now. Stress often feels like tightness in the body. Let us move that energy now. Begin with your jaw. Move your jaw slowly from side to side. And then let it hang open slightly. Feel the muscles relax at the back of your head. Next, move to your shoulders. Breathe in and lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Hold them tight. And then drop them completely as you breathe out. Now, place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your stomach. Feel the warmth of your hands. This simple touch tells your heart to beat more slowly and calmly. As you listen to the music, imagine the sound waves are like soft water, washing away the sharp edges of your stress. Now, we will be quiet for a short time. Let your body settle. When we are anxious, it feels like we are inside a storm. Let us move outside of that storm now. Imagine you are standing in a large, quiet field. Above you, the sky is a deep, calm blue. Your thoughts are like clouds passing by in that sky. Just watch them. You might think there is a thought about work, or there is a feeling of worry. Do not try to stop them. Imagine the wind of your breath, gently pushing those clouds into the distance. Remember, you are not the clouds. You are the sky. The sky is always there, wide, silent, and calm. No matter what the weather is like. I will leave you now for a few moments to watch your thoughts pass by. You are the sky. Now, repeat these simple words in your mind to stay grounded. I am returning to calm. My body knows how to relax. I trust my breath. I am safe in this moment. Feel the vibration of the music in your chest. Let the sound feel like a heavy, warm anchor, keeping you steady and strong. Let this feeling of stability fill your entire body. From your head down to your toes. You are safe in this moment. We are now finishing our practice. Do not hurry to start your work or check your phone. Slowly begin to notice the room around you. Feel the temperature of the air on your skin. Feel the chair or the floor supporting your weight. Remember that you can return to this calm feeling whenever you need. Open your eyes when you are ready and go slowly into your day.